guys, this is part 2 of going into a boat. This is the way home. So let's run together. Not run, but let's just walk. That's the boat we're going on. Speed, super speed. It's 2 boats. We're going okay. By the mark, I guess. Let's just not get in here because there's people that work here. Now we're here in the boat. There is, that's our position. Shit. Bluefin's Lounge. Let's go in. Oh, this is the fancy. Yeah, so this is the boys. Here, pet zone. Baba. Okay. Let's walk. We're going. This is the gate. The gate. Yeah, so you're now at this place. Oh, this is place. Place. I found the secret place in here. It's very cool. Okay. Guys, we have a secret place in this boat. In the place we play. There's a secret. Oh my god, they patched it. Oh my god, I love that place. Now to go out. That's crazy. BTW. This is so cool. What the? Yeah, so this is actually so cool. In some minutes, we're gonna go out and buy some chips. Okay. Or French fries. Now we're gonna go get chips. No, French fries. Where's that empty? There's here. Now I'm gonna take one of these. Okay, the one I want is actually, and this is my shake. It's like so yummy.